So again, we have flowers, we have some text. Let's talk about a video. So I'm going to go put my cursor at the end of this, and I'm going to hit return again. Give me an empty space. To put a video on your website is quite easy by going and copying and pasting the address from YouTube. YouTube works pretty well. So I'm going to go to YouTube, find myself a new tab. I'm going to go to YouTube, and then I'm going to type in my favorite video or whatever. I don't know, let's find a video. How about the theme to Tortoro? Who likes Tortoro? You gotta love Tortoro, right? Tortoro? 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 There it is. Tortoro. Here it is. The theme to Tortoro. Oh, the official trailer right there. Oh, there it is. We have no sound, though. I have no sound. Okay. I had to get a little Tortoro in. So to put this video on my blog or my website, I see the share button towards the bottom of your video. If you click on the share button, it'll come up with the address to that video. And if you copy that, again, you can right click and say copy, or you can Command C on the keyboard, or hit the copy button right there. Somehow copy. Then go back to your WordPress page, and then I can paste right in there by hitting Command V, and it puts it right in there into your page. And so WordPress works really well and easily with YouTube if you just copy the video address and paste it right onto the page, and you have Tortoro. See if you can find a video. The video is fine. Find a video. Anywhere you get. Put it anywhere you want. Put it wherever your cursor is. Paste. Go back and copy the address again. I don't know. For some reason your copy doesn't work. Maybe it's in 4K, but that shouldn't make a difference. When you hit share, let me try keyboard. Copy. Which page are you on? This one right now? There we go. I don't know. Maybe the mouse was kind of crazy. But you got a video. So videos are easy to do. Let's talk about a map. All right, maybe you want to have a map on your page telling people where to go or whatever. You can put a map on your page very easily in WordPress by going to, of course, Google. Google has maps, google.com. And in Google, you'll notice there's little squares in the upper corner up here, the little Google Apps. And, of course, we're doing maps. A map. Then you can put in your favorite address, 1400 Fruitvale Avenue. And some things you'll notice already is that there is so again, Google Maps. And you'll notice up here in the top it says again, share. Just like it said share on YouTube, right? If I click on share, I can copy that. And if I go back to my page, find an empty spot and paste, uh-oh. That didn't look right, does it? Oh, I pasted the address in there, but not the map. Well, let me try it. I'm going to update, I'm going to preview. Maybe it'll preview when I preview it. No, didn't work. Okay, so here's an issue with maps or other things besides the video, is that you need to tell it to have a window to put the map into. And right now, you just by copying and pasting the address doesn't put a window on the screen. So one way that you can put a window on the screen to do that is something called an iframe. iframe was invented by Microsoft. Imagine that. It's Internet Explorer, if you remember Internet Explorer. They used to, back in Internet Explorer 3, they wanted the ability to take content and put it in there. And so they came up with the idea called an iframe. And so instead of just copying the link where it says shared link in the map, you notice it says embed map. You see that one right there? It says embed map. And I'm going to copy that code, the one that says embed map. Here. I'm going to and it's going to copy some code called an iframe. And I'm going to go back to my page. Now, if I just paste this in here, it's still not going to work because it sees it as text and not code. So I'm going to undo that. Before I paste it, I'm going to go into the code view of WordPress. To get into the code view of WordPress, you'll notice there's an option in the upper corner saying called text. It's up here in the right corner here. So if I click up here in the right corner where it says text, now this is the code view. And then I'm going to paste my text in there. And that should work then. If we go back to visual, you might not see it. Oh, it is there, yeah. The map will then show up. Again, before you paste the map, go to the code view, which is right here, text, and then paste it in there. And you can then see the map. We got map, video, text wrapping around. We got call me. And again, if you want to view your page, you can go to update over here and then preview changes again here. And it should then open up in a window and you should see all your stuff. I got all my stuff. Did I get the map to work? Yes? Okay, good. And we can play Little Tortoro. I like those little guys. Cat bus. The easiest way that I found to make more of a site with a menu and all that stuff is to make some pages that don't even have content in them yet. So you probably have one in there by now, right? You have a whole bunch. Make all these or do it? But you have one in there, right? All about social media. You have at least one page in there. One page in there. Okay, so let's make some more pages. I'm just going to make pages and just give them. So my topic again was flowers. So I'm going to kind of start again. If you want to delete that page and start a new one, you can. But I'm going to make a website. So we're going to put our little website here. I'm going to make a menu and I'll have like 4 pages. So maybe I'll have one of about flowers, and I'll have grow flowers, and we'll have a page about flower pictures, and then I'll have a contact. So I'm going to make like 4 pages. And I'm just going to make them now so that I can start formatting my site. So I might even remove this page that I first made. You can keep it if you want, but I'm not going to use this one. If you want to get rid of a page, the easiest way to get rid of a page is to trash it. So notice that as I roll my cursor over, I can click the trash here, and then my page goes away. You're like, ah. To make a new page, you'll notice up here at the very top it says Add New. So I'm going to go and just make 3 pages. I was going to do about flowers, and I'm going to type down here as well, about flowers. And then I'm going to publish. You can't put it in a menu unless it's been published. So I want to make a menu that goes from one page to another page to another page to another page. In order to make a menu that goes from page to page to page, the page needs to actually be published. Published makes it live. So I'm going to publish that, and then I'm going to add new again. I'm going to add new again. And what was my second page? About flowers. History of flowers, I think I had. History. Is there a history of flowers? On Mother's Day, maybe. How about history of flowers on Mother's Day? History. And I'm going to publish that. And then I'm going to add another one, add new again. And I'm going to call this one Flower Media. Media, and I'm going to publish that. Now I'm going to do one more, and and we'll call it a contact me, and we'll have a contact page, contact me, and I'm going to publish that. So again, I just made all 4 pages. They don't have any content in them yet, but if I go to all pages, you'll see I have 4. And the reason why is that way I can start building a site. Even if it doesn't have content in it, we got pages. So I have some pages, not much content. Now what drives the program, and let me stop this video and we'll start again.